guys. How is everybody today? Did you miss me? I missed you guys. I'll explain why I've been a little MIA. I had a little bit of an attitude because I had to come off the road and go back to work. And I don't know, I was just in my feels. But I'm back and I'm gonna start uploading. Obviously, I can't travel all the time right now like I was. However, I'll still be doing some vlogs. I'll be doing some day tripping and weekend tripping and getting in some hikes when the weather breaks and, you know, uploading some cooking, some hauls, the grandbabies, you know, my hot mess life stuff. So, first of all, I hope everybody's doing great. And thank you to everybody that has hung around. I appreciate you guys more than you know. I'm on my way right now to meet my daughter Dominique and my grandson Axel at Costco because I'm going to reorganize my refrigerator. That is a hot mess. I want to, you know, organize it better and start meal prepping, getting my health together. I've just, not that I've been taking bad care of myself, but I could definitely step up my game with my diet and exercise and overall, you know, well-being. And I've ordered some things from Amazon that's going to help me with all of that. So I'm going to take you guys along for all of that good stuff. Anyway, I'm about to go to the gas station before I end up having to push this van. Which, this one isn't mine. It's the loaner. They have my van in the shop because, I don't know why, it's brand new and the engine light came on. So it's some kind of computer thing. I don't know. But they gave me this loaner until they get it fixed. So anyway, I will be back with you guys when I get to Costco. Hi, Papa. Axel, you ready to go shopping?
Yeah.
You gonna go in Costco? Huh? Look at Nani. You ready to go shop?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you just say? Oh my God, I can't take her nowhere. Swear to God. This is about to be the experience.
Mom.
See, this is why I can't take you nowhere.
Look at my tires.
I hate my kids.
Look at that water.
What are you looking at, Pop?
I want to look at that water.
The water? Okay.
What's that?
All the food storage stuff. A little bit of produce. Thanks for helping me. Thank you. You don't care? No.